Why did Ford introduce the $5 day policy? Imagine working on a busy assembly line where every second counts and the work is repetitive and tiring. Now think about how to keep workers motivated and loyal in such a tough environment. That's exactly what Henry Ford faced in 1914. Ford had just revolutionized car manufacturing with his assembly line, which made cars faster and cheaper to produce. But this new way of making cars also made factory work more monotonous and demanding. To solve this, Ford decided to pay his workers more money. He doubled their wages from about $2.34 a day to $5 for an 8-hour workday. This was twice the usual pay at the time. The goal was to make factory jobs more attractive and to reduce the high number of workers quitting. Reports said that labor turnover was as high as 380%, meaning many workers kept leaving and needing to be replaced. By offering higher wages, Ford wanted to keep his workers happy and stable. He also believed that better-paid workers would work more carefully and make fewer mistakes. The shorter workday also helped reduce fatigue, which meant workers could stay alert and productive longer. This was important because the assembly line moved fast and mistakes could slow down production. Ford's idea was not just about making workers stay. It was also about creating more customers for his cars. When workers earned more money, they could afford to buy the cars they helped produce. This idea of paying higher wages to boost sales fit perfectly with Ford's plan to lower car prices. When cars became more affordable, more people could buy them, which meant more cars sold and more profits for Ford. He also had some rules for his workers. They had to stay sober, keep their homes clean, and save part of their earnings. Ford believed that responsible workers would be more dependable and that this would help build a better community. This policy was a smart move that linked the new assembly line technology with better wages and improved working conditions. It helped stabilize the workforce, increased productivity, and expanded the market for automobiles. The $5 day changed how companies thought about paying workers and set a new standard for wages in the industry. It was a key moment in the history of industrial and digital revolutions, showing how innovation in manufacturing could also change the way people worked and lived.